So here's a few off-page things. I mean, this might seem obvious, but I've seen it where it's not. If you want to make sure you claim and verify your Google My Business listing, and then you want to optimize it. Fully fill it out to have a lot of pictures in there. I mean, you almost got to treat Google My Business listing as its own website. I mean, it kind of is. So have a lot of pictures. You can put videos on there. You want to have all your services listed. You want to have a good lengthy description in there. Have your phone number on there, your address. I would treat it as its own entity, its own website. I mean, because it kind of is, right? It's separate than your website and it ranks. I mean, I treat it as an asset, right? It provides revenue for your business. So I'd take it seriously and really try to optimize it. You want to get a lot of citations across the web not only to help boost your Google My Business listing, but those will be relevant links with name, address, phone number pointing back to your website as well. So build page authority and website authority for your website itself. You want to be getting online reviews. There's a lot of different apps out there these days to do it, but you want to make sure you keep on getting online reviews. And I mean, that to me, that's a huge conversion aspect. Like before I call, if I don't know somebody from just my town locally and I don't get a referral, an electrician, for example, I go to the 3-pack, look at the reviews real quick, and then make the call. So I think we're putting a lot of emphasis on reviews, and I'm sure some of you guys on here can relate that you look at reviews as well before you make a buying decision, especially in the home services industry. And want to have a way to build authoritative links, that we kind of talked on a lot. And then you want to have a strategic way to syndicate your content out. Like once you have that content, you can syndicate it out across the web to really boost things. So we'll kind of get into that here. And a year or two ago, you could kind of get away with just doing a simple blog post here and there, which is good, right? Because you're getting fresh content. But you're only getting so many signals, and you're only getting so much power from that. So something that we've been doing that you guys could work on doing yourselves too is, there's a way to where you can take these posts and really, blast it out and and syndicate it across a lot of different properties, and basically you can do like a press release and syndicate it like on the Fox News channel, ABC, and all that to build authority. And you can even embed your Google Maps listing into this blog post and then syndicate it out. So not only does that boost your Google My Business ranking, it has huge advantages to boosting your website rankings as well. So it's kind of a 1-2 punch. And there's kind of like an acronym for this called EAT that Google really wants to see on the website. So we'll kind of go into what that is here in a minute, a little bit further. But so when you're, if you're doing these press releases, instead of just doing a blog post on your website, you can take that blog post and turn it into a press release and syndicate it out. And then Google likes to see that because not only does it help you get hundreds of links quickly, and these aren't spammy links because it's a high quality press release, and it shows you, EAT, right? So it stands for expertise, authority, and trust. So I don't know if you can see it over here to the right that, from a local Google My Business, the signals are number one as far. All of these are relevant, right? That's why having a comprehensive approach is important, right? As far from a ranking perspective. But the amount of signals you get is 25% from a local perspective, right? And then from the organic ranking, link signals are 27%, with on-page signals right behind that. So these press releases, and this is something we've rolled out not too long ago with our clients, are huge. We're seeing huge boost over time, especially because press releases, I don't know if you've ever noticed, they can lead to quick rankings. The biggest benefit is to give Google these relevant signals they're looking for from an authoritative site, which would be ABC, Fox, CBC, and then that leads to trust, right? And then it builds up the page rank with the link signals that Google can obviously crawl and read all this, and so we're seeing huge jumps, with these press releases. So, and this is from part of Google's terms and services and some of the things they're looking for on overall page quality and rating. And again, this is where the EAT acronym came from, right? Expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. So they crawl and look at the main content quality, who's responsible for it. Like if you're, that's why like at first it's always hard to start ranking, but once you become an authoritative author and site in your location, that's why it's easier to go after more and more keywords, and those, rank easier, right? Like it's at first it's kind of hard to get going, but once you start crawling up the search engines, it's easier to bring up other keywords because you're already known as an authoritative figure in Google's mind, in the cities you're already going after. So keep that in mind as you're putting your strategy together. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You can probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.